Welcome you all. In today's class, we are going to learn four words and their use. Hala, it's mean this. Hazihi, it's mean this. Mahaza, what is this? Manhaza, who is this? I wrote four words on the whiteboard. Haza, hadhi, and in a question statement, these words are used as mahaza, what is this? And manhaza, who is this? Haza, it is like demonstrative pronouns used for the masculine nouns, and hazihi, it is also like demonstrative pronoun this and is used for the feminine nouns. And the other two words, mahaza and manhaza, in these statements, two question words are used. One is ma, it's mean what. It is used for non-living and unintelligent things. And the second, man, it is used for living and intelligent things. There is a basic difference in these words. Let's see how these words are used in sentences. I'm going to start with the simple structure sentences. هذا بيت. It means هذا بيت, this is a house. هذا باب, this is a door. هذا جدار, this is a wall. هذا بحر, this is sea. In these sentences, simple structure sentences, the word haza is used for masculine nouns and hazihi is used for feminine nouns. For example, hazihi ghurfatun, this is room. hazihi talibatun, this is female student. hazihi kurrasatun, this is a copy notebook. hazihi fatimatun, this is Fatima. In these sentences, I use the masculine words, and in these sentences, I used feminine words as haza, demonstrative pronoun used for masculine, and hazihi, demonstrative pronoun used for feminine words. And on the other hand, for a question statement, mahaza, for example, mahada mean what is this? Hada babun. Man hada? This question is for living and intelligent things. Man hada? Who is this? Hada waladun. This is a boy. And for feminine words, ma hadhihi, it means what is this? Hazihi ghurafatun, this is room. Man hadhihi, who is this? Hazihi talibatun. Now we clearly can understand these four words and their use. I repeat it once. Haza, it means this. This word is for the nearby things and for masculine things. And hazihi, this is also for the things near to us and is used for feminine nouns. And man haza, ma haza, these are the question statement used for asking something, used for question.